Hello students, triangles paper analysis from 2009 to 2023. As per the new syllabus, only three concepts: similar triangle basic concepts, BPT and similarity criteria. So this is most important concept. You have a different collection of problems in this exercise. In BPT, you have section C and D. Most of the question is state and prove BPT, and using that theorem find the numerical value or small radius you can expect. And NCERT question is more than enough, and additional R.D. Sharma solved example and previous year board question you can prepare for BPT. Whereas in similarity criteria, so around 20%, 20 to 30% of the questions from third exercise. Almost all the tough questions are there in NCERT. Additional question you can go through previous year board question. In Marvel Math app, we have a last 15-year board question with solutions and without solution, two different types of files available. And also recorded a previous year board question through video explanation. And here you can expect questions from this. Four important concepts are there. Similarity to altitude, similarity to angle bisector, similarity to median. Median, you have three different types of problems are there. These five sums are most important sums in similarity concept, and you can expect 2 mark questions or 1 mark from this exercise based on the numerical value. And most important repeated question outside NCERT, you can refer R.D. Sharma or any question bank with proper explanation. Good news for students of class 8 to 10 CBSE and state board. If you are preparing for board exam or JEE or NEET, so join our telegram channel Marvel classes for free sample papers and short tricks videos and sample papers for annual exams. Also join our telegram channel exclusive for math question papers and math videos. And if you want to check concepts through videos, join our telegram channel for mathematics Marvel Maths, for science subject Marvel classes. If you want in videos in Tamil, Marvel classes Tamil. Here the videos are only in Tamil. For English science subject Marvel classes, and in Marvel Math you can watch concept based videos, problem solving videos, exam tips videos and paper analysis videos. So if you subscribe that video, you can easily get all board support videos. Subscribe our YouTube channel, also join our telegram channel. Thank you.